In this video, the Bitcoin price has started forming an inverted hammer within the weekly time frame. But the question is this going to lead into a bullish movement for the coming weeks? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, guys, meron tayong Gab's Crypto 101 playlist if you want to start learning trading cryptocurrencies for free. And if you want to learn how can you earn money with the cryptocurrency market, all you have to do is just to search Gab's Crypto 101 on YouTube by typing it in our search bar, or you can actually find this guys in the description down below. And then dito ipapakita natin yung mga iba't ibang tutorials on how to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But anyway, let's now dive into this video and let's now give a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what you're monitoring was the very short-term movement within the support resistances between the 29.5k up until the 29.8k. So last time, we were just expecting movements for this area lang for the short term. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, I'm not expecting any massive move yet. But right now, nagkaroon tayo ng movement to the upside. And it's actually because of this weekly time frame movement. So let's try to zoom out kung ano ba naging cause nitong pump. So if we're going to look at the weekly time frame, we have now started forming an inverted hammer candlestick, which is ito. Nagkakaroon tayo ng malaking wick to the upside na color green. Ito. Ayun, may candle tayo na color green. And then at the same time, nagkaroon tayo ng massive wick. And then that came off from a downtrend. So typically, candles like this are an early signs of a bullish reversal candle. So that could indicate that we might see a bullish trend reversal within a week or two. That is also similar to what we saw sa ating previous movement. Nagkaroon tayo ng inverted hammer. In that case, nakakita tayo ng bullish movement within 2 or 3 weeks. So we saw that movement to the upside. So right now, this could actually potentially indicate now we might see a bullish movement to the upside for the short term, or actually not for the short term, but for the midterm with the Bitcoin price action in the coming weeks. So in this case, we must be prepared for the next indicators to form. Regardless kung anong mangyari kay Bitcoin, we must be prepared. Because see, right now, these are signs that we can see a somehow na movement to the upside the Bitcoin price action. So for now, that is what I'm going to monitor with the Bitcoin price actions. But when it comes to the short-term price action, where are we headed within the short term? So within the bigger time frame, of course, we are seeing an indicator na we might see Bitcoin move to the upside. But when it comes to the short term, as you can see, medyo kulang-kulang yung mga indicators natin. But siguro ang maganda dito i-identify is actually the 4-hour time frame. So ito yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo actually, yung 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we are seeing a clear support and resistances between the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, which is itong red line, and the 100 moving average, which is yung orange line dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. So right now, as you can see, we are just bouncing within the support and resistance area nitong moving average of the 100 and 200 moving average. And if you're going to zoom out within the daily time frame, you can also see now we are also seeing a bullish divergence within the daily time frame. So there are a lot of signs indicating that we might see a bullish trend reversal to the upside. In that case, ano yung magiging target natin once we break to the upside? So for now, before we confirm this bullish movement to the upside, what we must take note is we must follow this resistance forming within around the $32,000. So right now, we have a clear resistance around the $32,000. So not everything is confirmed yet, not unless we break this $32,000. So the moment na ma-break natin si $32,000 with buy volume, then I might open a long position. And then what I am going to target is this next resistance around the 36,000 or 35,000. Only if we see a candle close above this area with buy volume. So that is what I'm going to wait out, a daily candle close above this area with buy volume. If we saw a candle close with buy volume of the 32k, then we can see a movement up until the 36k. Pero hanggat sa wala tayong nakikitang breakout sa area na yan, then expect more consolidation with the Bitcoin price for the time being. So for now, I am not going to enter into any trade. I'm not going to open a long position yet, not unless we see a breakout dito sa ating daily time frame, or not unless makita tayo ng panibagong opportunity. Right now, wala tayong nakikitang malaking opportunity. It's just that for the weekly time frame, may potential movement to the upside. But for the short term, wala tayong clear indicators yet of where are we heading to within the short term. So for now, wala akong trades for the short term, but Thankfully, meron ako mga pera sa aking spot wallet, 'di ba? Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na I've always been buying Bitcoin in my spot wallet. So, regardless kung may position ako or wala sa ating short term, if let's say nagkaroon ng pump bigla, okay lang 'yun kasi meron tayong Bitcoin na nakalagay sa ating spot wallet. So, if let's say umakyat si Bitcoin tapos wala tayong nakalong position, okay lang 'yun kasi meron tayong naka-hodl na Bitcoin sa ating spot wallet. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can trade that with Bybit. And as usual, if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna siguro update natin for the time being. Just a quick update lang. Medyo pagod pa yung aking katawan over the weekend. But yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.